Hello, my crafty friends. I am here with my Traveler's Notebook journals. I did 2 each, so there's 6, of course. I'm going to show you the 3 because each one I did, like these 2 are the same pretty much, and these, and then these. So I'm just going to show you the 3. And then, so I don't have to go through all of them, because they're pretty much all, you know, the pairs are pretty much the same. And let's just start with this one. This is the cover. They are 8.5 by 8.25. And I just put the little chipboard on there, sewed around the covers, all the covers. This one I put the little pop dots on, or, you know, see-through dots. I don't know what you call them things. But anyways, oh, and they all come with closures. I just didn't want to have to fussy with them on the video, but yeah, and this is the back. And I used the Raven something. Oh my goodness. I can't remember the name of the pack now. I put it on the post. On my site, I put it on the post on that one, so you'll have to go over there and check that out, or I'll put it in the description box if I can find the paper pack somewhere, the cover. Anyways, let's go inside. It's double cardstock covers. I just backed this one with, I don't know if they're all dark. Yeah, I think they are. I think they're all dark on the inside. But each one comes with some Halloween stickers because I have some and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm just going to pass them along with the Halloween journals. And then you can either use them in your journal or put them in a different journal or whatever you would like to do with them. Okay. Inside here is a pocket. I did do some not a ton of sewing, but I did do some sewing in these. And there's a little tuck spot right there. And this journal tag and a little envelope that I stamped a bug on. And these are from Tracy's shop. My printer was not printing black for some reason, so whatever's black came out red. I don't know what happened, but I used them anyways. And then this little, you can either put it here or inside. And there is the pocket here with a sewn tag. And a journaling card. And I used some Tim Holtz washi. And I also used in here, because I just found it, and so I just went through and put a bunch in these journals, some Halloween from Tsunami Rose's Halloween kit. So I put some of those in here. And we have some photos. Each one has a couple Halloween photos off of Pinterest. That's out. A little pocket. I sewed around all the pockets. And then these ones. Get in there. What is hung up in there? I don't know what's hung up in there. And then another little journaling card from Tsunami Rose. And I backed these big ones with coffee dyed paper. Get on there. And over here, this is a little envelope. And I have this journaling card and this tag and this little piece of ephemera. And inside, this envelope I made, I got 3 little black envelopes from Julie from the old design shops. And I wanted to put a black envelope in each one of these, so I went and made 3 more. But this is one of them that I actually made. Oh my goodness, why does my big old dog have to bark every time I'm doing a video, little snake? Bandit, stop it. Over here is a pocket. Look at that creepy. They did some real good Halloween costumes back in those days, let me tell you. Another big old journaling card. Oh my goodness. Don't think anybody's here. Tsunami Rose. And this can be cut apart and put in anywhere in the book that you would like. And there's another printout from Tracy's shop that came out funky because of my printer. Let's see here. Come on. And this little bag flips out, and these bags I got from Julie as well, and I just made put a little Halloween thing from the paper pack right there. Just sewed these on. Another little piece of ephemera from the pack. This is from Tsunami Rose's kit, and I will link hers below. 2 more tags. This one is sewn. I like my tags to be sewn. I don't know what it is, but I like it. Here's another little beetle. And see where he's red? That's supposed to be black. Yep. Oh my goodness. And each one of these journals has a bug tag, which I call them. And I just put some lace tulle over the top and sewed around it. That goes in there. Another big old journaling tag. And each one has a little journaling booklet. I better go check on that. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. If I don't go check, then they will not stop barking. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. And they're so loud, and I'm watching my son's dog, and she's a big old black lab too, so yeah, she will start and she won't stop until I check either. Okay, then we have this one. This one is actually spoken for, and each one is going to come with a little, I just haven't put them on those yet, a little dangle bead. And this is the cover of this one. It's got Spideys on it. And let's check inside this one. They're pretty much all the same. They're just laid out a little differently. And there we go. Let's see, red ant. So I figured Halloween, that would be perfect, right? Oh my goodness. Another pocket with a big old sewn tag, and then this one that I made myself. Some washi. Tsunami Rose. I won't take all these off because, you know, they're sewn and backed with coffee dyed paper already, so yeah. And I love this one. And then this little ephemera that comes with the paper pack. And some tags inside here. I like this one too. And this flips out. They all have a bag. And this one has these two inside. And yeah, my hands are being stinkers right at the moment, so they kind of hurt. And then I went ahead and banged up my hand right there. I can't win, I tell ya. Over here, look at these cute little cutie patooties. And over here is this photo. Oh, look at that. That's so funny. I wish they would do this kind of stuff nowadays, because nowadays the costumes just are not like they used to be. They're just store-bought, simple, weird, not as, I don't know, creative, I guess, as they used to be. I just think back in the day they really had to do some creating, you know. It was just kind of cool. And then here we have this pocket. And I just left these long. And over here is the other little, this is the one I made. And they all have a little tiny piece of ephemera inside each one. I'm not going to take them all off because, yeah, you know why. Another big old tag. Tsunami Rose. I like this page. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. Can you see that? Oh, that is so creepy. Oh my goodness. Cool but creepy. Flip out and Tracy's shop. Love Junk Journals. I will link her below. Oh, there is that. There's well, these stickers. They're like sewing Halloween stickers. That's what's going to come with these ones. I had them in the front, but apparently I moved them about in here. So they'll just go right here in this one. Back here, and a journaling tag, and then this is the bug, lace bug card that I made. So this one, and then Tsunami Rose, and then this little tablet. Booklet, whatever you want to call them. And so that is this one. And then, let's see. Which one did I not show you? I think it was this one. I love this one too. This is just like the black one, only, of course, white. And, okay, I don't know if y'all noticed, but each one of the black ones and each one of the white ones, spiders are going this way and one's going that way. I didn't do that on purpose. It was kind of like an accident, but that's the way they are. See this one? Their spideys are going the different directions. Oops. Oh well, happy accident, right? This is the stickers that come with this one. My granddaughter has enough stickers, so I'm just going to send stickers on the merry way. And this one has a little in there in that pocket. And the only thing different is this big old tag in this one. And let's see. 2 tags there. A little flippy. And then these 2 tags, and then it has this one. Put them like that. This flips out, and this one has this big old Halloween tag. Get in there. Big old journaling card. And these 2. Over here has the same envelope, a little ticket, and then it has this Humpty Dumpty set on the wall. Isn't that crazy? I love that. It's so funny. I love those. And then these 2 right here. An envelope. Little ticket. And then this one. A little ephemera piece. Big old journaling card. Tsunami Rose. This is Tsunami Rose, and that is the ephemera pack. Flips out. Bugs all over it. Oh, and then there's this photo. Look at that one. Oh my goodness. I could stare at these all day. They're so cool. I love it. I'm not a Halloween person, but I love those old Halloween photos. I love them. 2 journaling tags there. And this is the bug tag I made for this one. And this one has this envelope, or this journaling booklet. Oh God. My hand. Oh my goodness, they're just awful today. And yeah, that is that one. And these are all available except for one of the black ones. So if you are interested, I will link my Facebook below on my Bloomin' Sticks page. You can catch me on either one of those, and I will give you the info on these little beauties. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.